How would you like to bank massive gains in your account in the next bull market with predictability? Would you also like to know if you're on the right side of the trade, when to increase your position and buy more, when to lock in your gains and sell into strength near the top, also how to avoid those devastating declines? I call this being in sync with the market. When we are in a bull market, I look for as many entries until I'm fully invested. When the market shows weakness near the top, I sell and run like a thief. I only trade for 20 minutes a day or less, and I ignore everyone else, the hype, YouTube, rumours. It's just you and the charts. This is how I stay in sync with the market and don't get distracted. About 90% of all traders are wrong. They buy when the excitement is at its peak. They sell when the pain of holding on is just too great, and that's usually right near the bottom. Most don't have a plan or some basic rule to buy and sell. Most don't have money management rules to protect their accounts. They pick trades like throwing darts at a board. The harsh reality for these traders, in most cases their account will go to zero eventually. They include emotions in their decisions. They rely on hope and luck. They're always in that unknown and unexpected camp. They don't know how to react properly to a loss or a win. They look to sell for small gains, and when they should be adding to the position for life-changing profits, they're usually taking small gains. Only traders with a proven record will be investing heavily on the first day of the next rally. Anyone can learn this reliable first day of the rally, and I can show you that. Anyone can trade successfully, even brand new traders. The chart is a moving picture that can be followed with predictability. Hi, my name is John Galjard, and in the next few minutes I'm going to share with you how to tell if you're on the right side of the trade or not, the times you should be out of the market, and the best times to enter the trade. I'm also going to share with you the 3 biggest mistakes 90% of traders make, the 3 things winning traders have in common, the simple way to tell if the big money is buying the trade. The next 2 slides called in real time, slide 1 before and slide 2 after, just some examples. Bitcoin gold in the last bull rally. As you can see over there, it's $34. I just wanted to show you this. This is a long shot, but we're in a bull market. BTG is all-time high was $4.78. It's now $34. Just thought you may want to know. The next slide, only a few weeks later, this high was $98. Will this make the target in the next few months? It didn't, but there was some massive gains in there, as you can see, in a very short period of time. In the last few years, I've become increasingly eager to help others trade for consistent profits. Top 3 categories of people I work with: people that have never traded before, people that want a different lifestyle, and people that trading just didn't work for them. Everything they touched went wrong. A lot of people come to me and don't know what a candlestick is. I explain everything so that everyone can understand exactly what to look for in a good trade. All the basics. Trading is not hard. Trading is just finding a winning entry and doing the same thing well over and over again. I look for the same thing in every setup. I'll teach you personally in great detail each thing that makes up a good trade. This is a predictable entry and exit strategy. Has us buying the first day of the rally in most cases. Tells us when to increase the position and buy more. It tells us when to sell and protect our account and lock in valuable gains. In the trading business, 2 kinds of traders exist. The people that lose or break even, that's 90% of people, usually buy the hype when it's at its highest, somewhere near the top. They usually invest 100% or whatever they have in their account. People that win big, often with ease, that's only 10% of us. We have a rules-based system and obey the rules. Emotions don't exist when making a trading decision. The money management is designed to protect and grow your account. What's the difference between the 2 traders? Trader 1 did not do his homework. Trader 1 does not have a plan. Trader 1 makes decisions with emotions. Trader 2 backtested the entry and checked the market. Trader 2 also had a stop loss in place to protect capital. Trader 2 makes more money on every rally following the rules and seems to do less and less work for more profit. The world's best investor. The stock market is the device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient, from Warren Buffett. The sort of trades that we're looking for are ones like these. We sit back and wait, and very patiently, as you can see, the days before nothing happened. And we're only looking for one candle. And when that candle shows up, we buy with enthusiasm and confidence. I will show you exactly when to buy to maximize your gains. Also, when a rally starts, you'll need to react quickly. It's our first entry. You'll know what signs to look for to determine a strong or a weak market. Increasing your investment with confidence as the currency goes higher, knowing when to sell and protect your account, keeping losses small, knowing when to sell and lock in your valuable gains. These can easily be learned and applied today. There is only two things that matter in trading: your profit and loss ratio, which is your cash account balance, and your win-loss ratio, which is your emotional bank balance. If you're not making money on your account, let me ask you this. Do you have a solid set of rules to buy and sell with that has a profitable track record? Do you know how to read charts for the best time to buy and sell? And do you have a winning plan to have that you have back tested? The successful traders know this: the exact setup to enter the market, the exact amount of to place on each trade, and where to add to the trade if it goes well, where to sell if the trade goes wrong, and where to take profits and lock in those valuable gains. All this and more is in this one-on-one coaching session with me. This is a one-on-one coaching session with me where you can ask me as many questions as you like, and we study the charts and go over a 6-week period. To be able to get consistent profits, you need the right system. Finding the right system the hard way could be like trying a 10,000 different combination lock. Finding the winning system the easy way is when someone gives you the combination. By now you're probably wondering, how can you learn to invest? It is perfect for people. Who's this perfect for? People that want to increase their income, with extra income to invest, wanting to retire early, people that want to quit their jobs after trading a bull rally the right way. Right now, I'm looking for 4 more people that want to learn to invest. Only people after massive gains. I'd like to work with you one-on-one in a trading strategy session if you meet the criteria below. I mostly work with 3 types of clients: people wanting to know how to trade and bank big profits from the markets, for real this time, and people wanting to quit their jobs sooner, and people wanting extra income for the future. Here is how the strategy works. We will be focused on the first entry, and as soon as the market jumps out of the gate, we buy. When we are in profit, we look to add to the investment on strength. Then we look to enter the third time when it breaks a new high, reducing our investment size each entry but increasing our holdings. We keep adding till we sell into strength and somewhere near the top for life-changing profits. This strategy session, this call will usually last about 45 minutes. I will have a good idea of where you're at and if I can help you or not. You will have a good idea of what I do and have all your questions answered. Who is this for? People who are determined to get awesome results in trading, and people who are patient and keen to buy. People that don't know how to trade and are starting from scratch. People that don't quit and give up easily. Working with me as a client. Working with me is not cheap, but when we trade, we bank big gains. When we trade with confidence. You'll learn how to grow your account rapidly in a bull market, and you'll also know when to be out of the markets and keeping your gains safe. Who is this not for? People who quit easily. People who gamble often. People who make excuses and complain. Lazy or impatient people. Knowing we are a good fit is very important. I always want to get the very best from my clients, the best results we can get. If it seems like we are not a good fit, I will be 100% upfront with you and suggest someone else or a different path. I'm only looking for those that are a good fit and I'm certain I can get top results for. This is a custom-tailored personal one-on-one coaching session. This is where we really begin to work to figure out what you want and how we can make it happen the fastest time possible. The first step is to complete an application below. This application is necessary to determine whether I can help you and that you are ready to step up and commit and take action at exactly the right time. Once I receive your application, I'll be able to schedule a time with me, or you'll be able to schedule a time with me and conduct our strategy session. At the end of the call, if we are a good fit, I will extend an invitation to work with me as one of my clients. If we're not a good fit, that's totally fine. We can go our separate ways, no hard feelings. Right now, I've had a larger than usual number of clients. This opportunity is very limited because of the one-on-one time needed to spend with each client. I only have 4 spaces available, and this opportunity will only be available until the next 4 spaces fill. Traders make decisions decisively and quickly. In the trading world, you'll need to make decisions fast. If you feel like this is right for you, go ahead and apply right now to see if you qualify. Click the button below that goes straight to my survey sheet. Check out the instructions on the next page.